What is going on, crypto junkies? This is Kevin with another video for you guys. Couple things for tonight. We're gonna look at Bitcoin again. We did challenge that long-term trend line down, bounced off of it, retracing a little bit right now. We will get into that in a second. Next, I'm gonna go over Lsk. It had a huge rebranding today. I'm not gonna talk about the rebranding today. I'm sure you guys have already heard about it. I personally missed the live stream. I was at work. Um, but I want to talk about the price action real quick and just touch on that. And then I will talk about why I am buying Cardano. So let's jump right into this. Looking at Bitcoin again, like I said in my last video, we are looking right around this trend line, seeing if we can break upward and start another bear run. I'm sorry, bull run, hopefully. Um, we did have a little bit of a fake breakout today. We hit about 11.8 on Coinbase, and as you can see, the wick came up and then closed back below. Now, you always want to wait for that daily candle to close before you either start FOMOing in or whatever your plan was for that breakout trade. Um, we did retrace a little bit. I hope you guys didn't sell because it's really nothing to be too worried about right now. If we do start selling, I think we can bounce somewhere around this 10,000 level. That is psychological support where people are going to see 10,000 and buy, or if it breaks below 10,000, then we're going to see some more people selling, as we have in the past. Look, hit 10,000, bought it up, 10,000, bought it up, 10,000, bought it up, broke 10,000, closed under 10,000, and we sold off. The RSI is just kind of leveling out here on the daily. Looking at the 1 hour, we do have a lot of volume, most of it obviously selling volume, but we are coming over to this oversold territory on the hourly, and we also have this nice little hook. Maybe we could get a little pump back up and break that level for sure tomorrow, but we will see. Um, Other than that, not much going on in Bitcoin. It's just kind of a wait and see game right now. Moving on to Lsk with the rebranding. Like I said earlier, I don't know too much about the rebranding. I did hear that it was some pretty bullish news long term. I saw someone actually on Reddit say that the logo was amazing. I didn't get a chance to look at that either, but I will be looking into all of that after the video, after this video, and if I feel that it is necessary, I will make a video on it, even though I'm sure there's already a million out there. Um, the thing I just wanted to talk about was the whole clear example of buy the rumor and sell the news. So the rumor and the announcement that Lsk was rebranding came out, and the price pumped up. The live stream was today at 2:30 Eastern, and if you see, we've just been selling off ever since a few days ago. Um, Personally, I held up here. I wish I did sell. Now, looking at this chart, I was kind of expecting one more short, maybe 5-10% run up. I got a little bit greedy and learn from my mistakes. Don't get greedy. Take your profits. You never know what's going to happen. You will not go broke taking profits. And if you say, oh, say this did go up, say 20%, oh man, look at all that extra money I could have made. Well, guess what's going to happen? It's going to retrace, and then you can enter. Or you can take that money and put it into something else like Cardano, which I'm about to talk about, which is showing signs that we could be going on another run and reversing the downtrend soon. But anyway, yep, another thing, don't hold after the news. Most likely it is going to come down unless it is some crazy, crazy bullish news like Bitcoin, replacing the US dollar, which again, probably not going to happen, but that would send Bitcoin through the roof. I'm looking to buy. I did buy a little bit right here on this little wick. I think I called it around 22.5 Satoshi. just because I didn't know how far it was going to dip, and I will buy more down here at this level. And I think right around that level we could see a bounce. The RSI is kind of coming down to that oversold area, and maybe even coming down to the 200 EMA. It is too early to tell. It's something to keep an eye on. You could buy right now. I think long term Lsk is a good hold. So let's move on. Cardano, another coin that I am long term bullish on. Um, it's starting to look like a buy now. So I did buy some all in this level right here, and I'm going to continue to buy in this rectangle that I drew for you guys. So a couple of reasons why I'm buying, and I don't want to say, have you watch this video? Oh my God, he said go buy Cardano. Let me go drop $10,000 or $50,000 or whatever your budget is into Cardano, and then have this thing go down to here. You guys are all gonna hate me. Do your own little research. Use whatever indicators you like. Personally, right now I am liking the RSI. So RSI has reached an oversold level on the daily. Actually, the most oversold it's been on the Bittrex ADA slash Bitcoin chart. Another reason why I am buying now is because we are coming into this heavy support and resistance level. So right in this area, pretty much where my whole rectangle is, you can see that on our last bull run, we paused here and we had a lot of trades going and a lot of chop. So I am thinking that investors are seeing now that we are oversold and we are coming up to this nice support level and people are going to start buying. Looking on Bittrex, which I don't have pulled up on you for you guys right now, there was some pretty big sell walls on this thing. I think that looking at sell walls could be a little bit misleading because people could pull them at pretty much any time. Like if we get a solid bounce and some nice volume, those things could either get eaten right up or pulled by whoever they are posted by because now they see that the market is turning around. We could even see a nice little V coming out of this, just like the bottom of Bitcoin chart. It's something to watch. Like I said, I am buying. Don't go by what I am saying, but look into it yourself. It looks pretty good to me. Uh, that's just about going to wrap it up, guys. This weekend, a video that I have coming out is I want to talk about a few ways to trade crypto. So whether you're going to be a long-term hodler, you want to do some swing trades where you get in and get out real quick, make a few, maybe 5 to 10%, and then look to the next chart. Or whether you want to kind of just accumulate more and more of a coin over time because like I am with Cardano, you are very bullish where you might be buying say 100% here, selling 25% here, 25% here, or whatever it may be. I'll go into that more on my video this weekend. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. I want to hear what coins that you are looking at. I want to hear what you guys think might be reversing soon because we have a lot of coins that are low right now. I'll take a look at them. If I think that you were right or I like what you have pointed out, I will also make a video on it and talk about it. And that's it. Have a great night.